why I see like ants with like white stuff on it. What is it that?
I'm glad you spotted the ants because ants are really important in every ecosystem. Did you know that ants actually help pollinate flowers?
They do?
Yeah, because they climb over and they get pollen on them and then they go to the next flower because they smell the nectar as well. And they want to go up and take a scoop like a honey bear, you know, like a bear at the honey pot. Ants love it, but ants are also seed savers. Do you know that ants collect seeds and they take them down into their nests, and then during winter, they eat the outside of the seed for food, and then in spring, they bring the seed back up and the hard outside is gone and it's ready to germinate.
I just found a bee just trying to pollinate.
Oh yeah, and look did you see all the pollen on it's collected? That was loaded up, it could barely take off. But yeah, the other thing with ants, they also can tell you if it's going to rain. Did you know that? Because when they build their, you know when you've seen an ant pile and it's got a shape like a wedge?
Yeah.
Well, depending on where that wedge faces, the point, that will tell you where the next rain's coming from because it builds it like that to push the water around the hole. And then they'll cover the top of the hole in a few hours before it's going to rain. And do you know that there's other native ants here in Australia, and during the winter, they put black stones on top of their nest because that absorbs the heat. And in summer, they put white stones because that reflects the heat and keeps it cool.
How do they carry it? Aren't they like very small? Like
Yeah.
they weigh so much?
But they bring lots of small white stones.
Oh.
And then all of a sudden it's like a white roof, and then in winter it's a black roof to absorb the heat. Pretty good, isn't it?